Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, similar triangles. Okay, so paano natin haharapin yung mga ganitong question? Pag nasanay na kayo with the formula, then it should be easy. But kung hindi pa, then let me explain to you how it goes so that pag na-practice yun na, alam nyo na every time around when you have an altitude to the hypotenuse, ano na pwedeng gawin doon? What information do we have? We have the right triangle and we have here x, which is the altitude to the hypotenuse, and we have this portion to be 16 and we have the whole length to be 25. Now, we need to be able to decide alin dyan yung gagawin natin similar triangles. Label the triangle muna. A, B, C, D. So, for sure, we will be using this triangle B, C, D. Now, we have to be able to find the other triangle with two information, either with the unknown or with a given. If we're talking about the big right triangle, we only have this hypotenuse. This one and this one, clueless. How about this triangle ACD? Ano ba meron natin? Meron tayong X. Wala tayong ito. But how about this? Do we know AD?
Somehow.
Paano? 25 AB, BD is 16. Therefore, AD should be
9.
Therefore, we have to use this small right triangle. Now, sino tatapat natin kay B, C, D? Pinakamadaling itapat si D. Sila yung right angle. Therefore, the third vertex should be both D. Sino katapat ngayon ni B?
Okay.
Look, B and this angle here should add up to 90 degrees or complementary. But at the same time, this angle and this angle also be complementary because right angle nga siya. So kung sinabi natin this two add up to 90, this two add up to 90, ano ibig sabihin? They add both the same angle to be 90. So that means this one and this one should be just the same. So which tells us that this angle ACD should be the same as angle B. So we should be able to say that triangle CAD is similar to triangle BCD. In this triangle here, we have the CD and the AD. So pwede natin sabihin, CD is to AD. C yung first, D yung last. So that means that is your BD, right? AD yung second, tsaka yung third. So that means it's your CD. Every time around that you have a right triangle where you have the altitude to the hypotenuse, this will always be the analysis. So you'll notice that CD times CD, that's CD squared, is equal to AD times BD. What's AD?
9.
What's BD?
Still.
So ano yung conclusion natin dyan? The square of the altitude is the product of AD and BD. Let's continue here. So CD is your X. So that means X squared is equals to AD, which is 9 times 16. So therefore, we get the square root of both sides. Supposed to be should be positive and negative. But on geometry, we don't have a negative side. So what is the square root of 9 times 16? 9 is a perfect square. 16 is a perfect square. Therefore, 9 becomes 3. 16 becomes 4. Kaya X is equals to 12. Kaya ang sagutan natin is letter A. Okay?
Okay.
Master is the king.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UPCAT.